Hey guys, and thank you for your the guys that joined very brief info with regarding to the Zoom session, just talking a little bit back and forth. And yes, I forgot to record it again. I'm terribly sorry. Um, Silver, I've looked at the charts on silver, and I want to show you something quite amazing. At least I think it's fantastic. If we go to like the weekly here, and the reason I often say that, although that it is the long-term time frames that is in control, usually when I say that, it's because I'm looking at the Bollinger Bands and how steady they are. In this case here, we also had that big break there in April 2024. We rallied, went sideways. We are hugging again the Bollinger Bands, extremely bullish. If you only use Bollinger Bands, this is really good. And then we can go up one more tick to the monthly and look at that as well. We have, let me hide all the drawings here. Cool. So you can see here also May 2024, April, May, we started to hug again. Upper Bollinger Bands on the monthly, extremely strong, meaning what happens now on the daily and below, pure noise. It doesn't really matter at all because you have the monthly that is in charge. And remember, I think we have roughly 21 or 22 days within a month here. So you can easily have 5 down days within that month and it wouldn't matter. It's just noise. So also here you have the monthly hugging the Bollinger Band to the upside. By the way, look at what happened last time. I mean, monthly hugging Bollinger Bands is really, really bullish. If I were to say potentially, we could actually, again, this is, again, take it as you may here. Here we started to hug it for the first time. We did it here. We rallied, we consolidated, we rallied, we consolidated, and now we're hugging again. So we could be somewhere around here, potentially. So take it as you may. Anyways, monthly hugging Bollinger Bands. It's good. We will go up one more time frame. So monthly, we go to a 3 month. And what do we have here? Monthly hugging also here. Not as explosive because we don't really have a lot of expansion. It's starting. You can see here it's starting to expand, but it's not the biggest. But also it's very, very difficult to have Bollinger expansion, big expansion on the 3 month. However, when it happens, this is 2004. Look at the move that we're getting. We went from 5, as you know, to 50 upon that Bollinger Band expansion. So also here on the monthly, I mean, very strong, very, very strong. When you only look at the Bollinger Bands, that is beautiful. Now we go up one more time. One more time we go up here and look at this. We're actually having, this is all of a sudden we are in a 6 month time frame. So if we have like 20, let's call it 20, you know, days per 1 month, here we have 120 for each candle. Same thing applies here. Look at that beautiful contraction there on the 6 month. We started to huck and we never looked back. Yes, we had 08. That was not fun, but obviously, uh, and we're starting to hug it again after a little bit of compression here. Not the biggest. This was a big one. We basically had 10 years worth of nothing compression, just energy being built up, and then boom. Now again here we are again coming up, expanding. We're expanding on the lower side and the upper side here. You can see that. And volume is good here. Basically since July, volume has been great. You know the break here. There it is. That's the break of 26 on the you can see it there. And we're expanding on the Bollinger. Really, really it looks fantastic. Again, could I be wrong? Absolutely. But there you have to see such so much fall in price in order to negate the weekly, the monthly, the 3 month, the 6 months, and also also look at this, the 1 year candles potentially. Actually, we're trying to. You can see here we're trying to push it right now. again, pushing it for the first time. Yeah, that's why, at least that's one of the reasons why I'm very bullish on silver. This is, by the way, as you can see here, this is the going back to 1980s. We're trying to push it here, and yeah, this again, I just wanted to show you that the Bollinger Bands. I really like them for that extra little confirmation. Um, yeah, I don't have much more to add really, other than you can, again, going down to the monthly, going down to the weekly. We are hugging it. The daily here gets a little bit more noisy, as you can see. By the way, here we started to do some hugging of that band, but you can see here the daily all of a sudden, when looking at the Bollinger Bands alone, very noisy. Um, well, very is a big word, but a lot more noisy there for the weekly, a lot more calm. You can see the calmness of the Bollinger Bands, right? And then we're having expansion on that. So weekly and above is in control. Daily and below, basically now, basically, it's just noise. But the pressure is up for silver, and I'm bullish. Don't believe any otherwise. I'm really bullish, and I believe that we very quickly could see 50. Yeah, it looks good, guys, for silver. Hopefully I'm right. But have a great day, guys. Cheers. Bye.